gentlemen, to another episode of Google doing stupid things for no absolute reason. Today, let's talk about their most retarded decision yet, pulling the plug on the Pixel 3a. What? Yes, you heard me right. Google has decided to stop selling their highly successful Pixel 3a before the launch of the 4a. That doesn't make sense. What? What? And that is my first issue with this whole thing. The Pixel 4a isn't here yet. In fact, we should be seeing the Pixel 4a in October. So that begs the question, why would you kill the 3a now? I mean, you don't see Apple saying, hey, the iPhone 11 has been too successful. We're making too much money. We must stop selling it right away. And we must let people wait for the iPhone 12 and just stop making money completely. Because that's how companies work, yes. Because of this decision, Google no longer has a mid-range option, and that is not good news. You see, unlike other Android manufacturers like Samsung and Xiaomi who have a plethora of devices available for customers, Google just has two. But now with the 3a out of the equation, consumers just have the 4. And nobody wants the 4. Because not only is it an abysmal phone, but it also starts at a casual 799 buckaroos. So very affordable stuff. You see, the Pixel 3a might be a year old now, but it still has a major USP. It was one of the only mid-range smartphones to offer a full flagship camera experience, but not only that, it was pretty much the only phone at its price bracket to offer decent night mode capabilities. And the sales figures definitely showed that there was a market for this. There were people who were wanting a flagship camera experience at an affordable price, and yet Google has just pulled the plug on pretty much their only option. But what I think is even worse is that when the 4a eventually sees the light of day, the 3a could have stayed alongside it as a cheaper alternative offering. Apple did exactly this with the iPhone XR last year. They reduced the price to $599, and that proved to be highly successful for them because not everyone is looking for the latest and greatest. And so imagine if Google started selling the 3a later this year at $249, or even better, $199. That is a seriously awesome deal, even for a year-old mid-ranger. But most importantly, that would have helped them boost sales, which is kinda what they need right now. Now yes, I guess a logical reasoning to this decision could be that the 4a is closer than we think, but the fact we don't have any hints towards an online event happening anytime soon is not so reassuring. So to conclude, Google, stop messing around, stop making these dumb decisions, please. Just stop. Especially with the iPhone SE and now the upcoming OnePlus Nord, the mid-range segment is getting incredibly tough. And the 3a could have been, at the very least, an attractive option for those who want a great camera while we waited, of course, for the Pixel 4a. But with that option out of the way, I think Google has screwed over themselves big time. Coupled with the fact that the Pixel 4 just belly flopped straight onto its face, it's safe to say that we might be seeing the slow demise of the Pixel line, as sad as that might seem to some people. Anyways, rest in peace to the Pixel 3a. Anymore. And on that note, I'll end it here. Thank you for watching. That's the word at the end of thingy. If you guys put that in the comments below if you've made it this far. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.